Hey guys, we are going to replace steering rack thrust piece, and this car is Mercedes C-Class 200, and the problem was when you will turn the steering rack it was making noise kiss kiss like this sound is coming. So this is the component, it's the name thrust piece, and so this thrust piece is the when we have to require, because in this car this one is the plastic, made from plastic, and new thrust piece is the complete, is the metal parts. And also this one doesn't have any dust protection o-ring, and new one have definitely one and two o-ring, that one prevent from dust. So you can see here without its lubrication, no more grease here, that's why it was making noise. Now first of all just use according to these parts which are the required grease, proper grease, and then just use the metal piece of this thrust piece. This is the plastic one, you can see here, and this one is the new metal thrust piece. Now we are going to install. So first put some grease and then press this thrust piece and then check if the grease is too much, then we have to remove. Otherwise okay, just remove it and check again the grease level. And also we have to remove the boot both side, and then we have to confirm it's dry. Then we have to rotate the steering wheel, steering rack, and then we have to fill the grease both side. So this is the tool just we have to required, and after that a special tool is required also to tight this bolt, because this is a normal we are going to do, then I will use the special tool.